Remine. Okay. So you go here to search. Now, obviously, Remine is connected to my MLS, so I can't do Texas or wherever you are in Texas.
Right.
But it's the same thing. You just do the same thing. So right here, I have a search running already. I'm just going to clear the filters. So I'm here on Long Island in New York. Okay. So I'm going to do the entirety of my county, but you could do whatever you like, right? So over here, you just select your polygon shape. And I'm just going to cover this county where I live. Let's just go up to here and then there, right? So you see here, right, it says 400,000 plus results. Okay, so we want to narrow that down, obviously, to just distressed properties. So here you're going to do add filter. I don't want to see homes that are already on the market, so I'm going to click off market. Select off market here. Okay, so we have 400,000 plus. Now, if you go here to the left, okay, you're going to want to do distressed deals. And you're going to want to do list pendants. And list pendants are people that haven't made their mortgage payment for at least 3 months. And there you go, 310. You see that? Okay, so then you can just go with that, or you can like narrow it down to, you can go here and say, you click on absentee, you can do, I just want to do people that are the owner occupants and not people that own the property but live somewhere else. So let's just do that, but you don't have to do it, but I'm just showing you the options. Owner occupant, apply. So now we're down to 283. So if you're firing off postcards, for example, you don't want to send postcards to a house where there's a tenant there. You want to send postcards to the owner. So you would select owner occupant, on that absentee selection there. Okay, so then I have my 283 results. So then what I would do is you hit select all, and then you hit cart up here. Can you see that?
Yeah.
And then you would name the cart, list pendants, test, I'll just call it. Add 283 properties to the cart. Okay, so now that's on there. Now, I would go here to my left side and go to carts. And right here at the top is my list pendants test. Can you see that?
Yeah.
All right, and then here I would just hit export. Oh wait, do I have to select all of them? Export, yeah. Name your file, list pendants, test, export. Okay, so now it'll say here, success. You see that? We'll notify you in a few minutes when your download is ready.
Cool.
Okay, so then what you're going to get, we don't have to wait for this. Everybody's seen an Excel spreadsheet before. So you're going to have, first name, last name, address, and it'll also give you their phone number and email. Okay, let me stop sharing. So it'll give you an Excel sheet with first name, last name, email address, phone number. Okay, then you can use that list for whatever you want. If you want to fire postcards off, you can, do that for firing off postcards. And then, or if you want to call, we're not allowed to cold call in New York, but you can call, can you cold call in Texas?
We can.
Okay, so you can use that list to cold call, either manual dialing or load it into a dialer. Just, suck in, upload that list into your dialer if you have one. And then you can circle prospect, send letters, postcards, or whatever. And then what I do is I put it into, you can run Facebook ads or Google ads. And what I do is I go and load into Facebook what's called Facebook Ad Manager, which is what's called a custom audience, and it's your list of customers, or in this case, this list of list pendants people. So if I go here, let me do, can you see my listings to leads account? No, hold on, let me share. Share. Here we go. You see that?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm in listings to leads, and then I'm in my dashboard. And then what I can do is I can market all of my current listings, but in this case, I want to do a list pendants, right? So I could go here to landing pages, and we can do select seller landing pages, and then you can run an iBuyer ad.
Okay.
And you can do, for example, I know there's one for, there's a video they just put out for distressed, but a lot of distressed sellers may want to go to an iBuyer who can make a cash offer just so they could get out of their house, you know, hopefully clean and not owe money. But if you can see right here, we'll buy your house for cash fast. And you can change the image if you want, or you can use this image, and it already has the ad set up for Instagram and Facebook. Okay. So then what I do is, rather than putting a location, I can go here and use a custom audience, retarget current leads. And then let's say I have another audience called Bond Drive Retarget, which was for a listing. But if you take that list that we just created and upload that into here as a custom audience, and we'll call it Distressed Sellers, Austin, Texas, or wherever you are, then you would start typing that here, Distressed Sellers. And then all you do is click boom, create ad, and that ad starts running. $35 for 1 week. You can change your budget. You could change the time that the ad runs for. And it just goes. Done.
Wow. And
Okay.
the landing page, did you have to create that, or did they create that for you?
No, it's already created.
Wow.
It's already created. So let's see, the landing page is already created. So there's your Facebook and Instagram ads. Then you can do it as a social media post. So here on the left are all the different things you can do. Wait, hold on. My daughter's ringing the doorbell. Let me just let her in. Sorry about that. So here, if you can link your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and it creates a social media post for you. We buy your house for cash fast. All right. You can deselect if you don't want to post to all of them, and just hit post now, boom, or schedule it. It's just like 1, 2, 3.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And then e-flyer for your database. Okay. So let's say you take that list that we created, load it into your dialer, load it into this to run Facebook and Instagram ads, and then take that list and load it into your KB Core or Chime or whatever you use for your CRM. Okay. And create an e-flyer for your database. So let's say you would click on this one. You can see these are all of them that you can select. Let's say I select this one. And it creates an email for you. And then you just copy code here. You hit copy code, and then you go to your KV Core and drop it in the HTML code. And boom, and just send it to that database.
That's incredible. And what kind of results are you seeing from this? Is this where you get a majority of your leads?
This is like my main lead gen thing for my listings. But you can also do, like, for example, here, PDF guides. So all these PDF guides are created for you and branded to you. So for example, let's do, I know that there's one for distressed sellers here. I just saw it the other day. Shorts, here we go. How you can avoid foreclosure. See this one?
Mm-hmm.
Marketing tools. And here's your ad, Facebook and Instagram ad. How can you avoid foreclosure? Question mark. Blah, 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 blah. You can, you can edit it, type in whatever you want, right? And it has this, download the free guide now. And then when they click on that, it'll ask them for their name, phone number, email, and all of that. You can set up your budget, set up your date, create ad, done.
That is amazing.
And then here, if you want to create a short form video script, they'll give you the script. You load it into if you use CapCut on your phone or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And then here's your script. You make a video, put your phone up, let me get rid of this. Here's your script here on the right. Why is my phone ringing? Hold on. Have you ever noticed, like, when your phone doesn't ring all day when you're not doing something, and then finally when you're doing something, everybody starts calling you?
Oh, yes, yes, yes. It's like when you go on vacation.
Yeah. Okay, so here's your script. So you just hold up your phone and you just, put it on the teleprompter section of your app. And you just, you can just be like, hey, this is Anthony from eXp Realty. In this changing market, you or someone may be worried about foreclosure on their home. You have options. And then you just read the script and then create a video, put the link, to the guide, click below in the comments or whatever for your free guide for, avoiding foreclosure. And then same thing here, e-flyer for your database. You send that out as an email. And here's postcards and door hangers already done. And you just send them to your printer.
That's phenomenal.
Yeah.
Now, I saw that you had a luxury expireds. So you're going to look at it. If we look at expireds, do you still do, I guess, off market to that way you're not targeting people who have already relisted?
Yeah. So you select off market. Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't want to spend money or time on people that have relisted already. Absolutely. So yes, you can create postcards, and it'll have a QR code on there. I don't know if you can see that.
Mm-hmm.
How can you avoid foreclosure? Click on the QR code. Here's your postcards. Just, download it and send it to your printer. Here's a QR code it'll generate if you want to put that somewhere. Here, the QR code will direct your leads to your landing page. So let's click on the landing page that it's for this. It has my face. My clients find this report valuable in helping them get more money faster for their home. Are you behind on your mortgage payments? You see this little video that it makes?
Wow.
It's done for you. These are done.
This is, I mean, I need this. I do not, I couldn't do this.
I'm not creative at all. Like this would take me hours to make.
Yeah. Yeah,
So,
we had GoGo on one of our calls because we do a Friday call with our team because I'm in Elizabeth Riley's downline.
oh, cool.
Yeah, and so we had
Elizabeth is so nice.
Huh? Elizabeth. Oh yeah, she's phenomenal. She's
Yeah.
absolutely amazing. But we had GoGo and Amy on back to back, and I was like, oh, that looks easy. And then I went to try to do it, and yeah, it took me an hour to do what she did in 10 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah. So, and then you can take this link and do whatever you want with it. And because this is your landing page.
That's so cool.
And then they put in the address, phone number. what's your time frame to sell? And they'll put just thinking, 1 to 3, 3 to 6. And then it says download using Facebook, and then they get the guide. And it's all branded to you. So, I mean, so that's how you do it. But yeah, I love this thing because it's cheap. It's like $60 a month. And here, I'll show you look at this. I ran on my listing, and you could do it with listings that aren't yours. Obviously, you have to get permission from an agent to advertise their listings. But look at this one. I ran, let me go to ads. Here's my last few ads. Look at this one. So this is my listing here, Issa Place. I ran this ad, 447 reach, 687 impressions. I got 9 leads out of it at $1.67 a lead.
That's crazy.
So cheap. This one here, Old Britain Road, this is my other listing that I got under contract. 13 leads, $269 a pop. And all I did just go click, 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 done.
Yeah, this is a game changer.
Yeah. So, and actually they just put out a video. I just saw they made a video it's funny that you brought this up in Workplace, because they just put out a video. Let me find it. On foreclosures. I'll send it to you. Hold on. Can you see this? Can you see the YouTube screen?
Yes.
Okay. Here it is. Void foreclosure landing pages and marketing funnels in seconds. Here you go. I'm going to send this to you. Where's the share button? All right, share. I need a new computer. If I run like YouTube and Zoom at the same time, it just starts dying on me. All right, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I'll put that in the chat there.